Hey guys, how's it going? How to pay later or Shopee pay later in Shopee. Shopee offers a service called Shopee Pay Later, which allows you to buy now and pay later. This feature is designed to help you manage your finances by allowing you to spread out all your payments over time. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to basically use Shopee Pay Later. So first of all, you need to basically go to Shopee app. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do next, you gotta just go ahead and make sure that your account is verified. And once your account is verified, you need to complete, of course, the necessary personal information verification process if you haven't done so already. And then activate the Shopee Pay Later. Open the Shopee app, launch the app on your mobile device, tap on the Shopee Pay icon from the home page and activate the Shopee Pay Later. Look for a Shopee Pay Later option, follow the prompts, and to activate it you may need to provide additional info and verify your identity. And you have the approval process. It may take a few minutes to a few days. Once approved, you will see your available credit limit, and then you can just now browse and shop for your Shopee to pay for later. All right, few tips only to repaying on Shopee Pay Later. Open the Shopee Pay, go to the Shopee Pay in the Shopee app, and then Shopee Pay Later section. Navigate to the Shopee Pay Later section to view your outstanding balances and repayment schedules, and then make the payment. You can make the manual payment through the Shopee Pay. Ensure that you have enough funds in your Shopee Pay account or linked bank account to cover your repayment. And then you have the auto debt. Some users may have the option to set up an auto debt for repayment. And then you have the repayment deadlines, due dates. Be aware of your repayment due dates to avoid late fees and penalties. You can set reminders to ensure you make timely payments. All right, so you need to understand the fees and interest. Be aware of fees or interest charges associated with Shopee Pay Later. Short-term installments might be interest free, but longer terms could incur interest. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you in the next one.